Hello guys, as we had mentioned in the previous class, we are moving on to the first category of tenses, which are the simple tenses. Simple tenses. So what are the three dimensions of tenses? Past, present and future. So simple past, simple present and simple future are the three simple tenses. Simple past, simple present and simple future. I'll just tell you in what context these tenses are used. Something that happened in the past. The baby cried yesterday, or we won the lottery yesterday, or the school closed yesterday, or I fell down yesterday. So these are things that have happened in the past. So the subject is there, I fell. Past form of the verb is there. Subject and the past form of the verb, which means that this is a simple past sentence. Understood? So think of some other sentences in simple past. The baby cried, or maybe she cooked food. Subject plus past form of the verb plus an object. Food becomes the object there. So she cooked food. So subject plus past form of the verb becomes the basic kind of a sentence structure for simple past. You can make as many sentences as you want. I did it. I came back, or they played. Subject plus past form of the verb, simple past. And now coming to simple present. Simple present is used in different kinds of contexts, mostly to show habitual actions or regularly recurring actions. Habitual actions like I run every day, I jog every day, I exercise every day. Or it also represents something that happens at the point of time when I'm talking to you. Maybe the camera records. While I'm talking, the camera records. So this is simple present. Or habitual actions. I exercise every day, I have my breakfast every day, or I write my diary every day. Habitual actions. Or universal truths. For example, the sun rises in the east, or the number of women are more than men in the world, or maybe such similar facts, or other habitual actions like the baby cries all the time. So in these contexts, we use simple present. Subject plus present form of the verb, as easy as that. Ramu cries, or Ramu eats, or the baby cries. She writes the exam. She is the subject, writes is the verb, present form of the verb, and the exam is the object. Or they eat breakfast. They are the subject, they is the subject, and eat is the verb, present form of the verb, and breakfast becomes the object there. So subject plus present form of the verb becomes a simple present statement. And moving on to simple future. This is used to refer to things that are going to happen in future, that are going to take place in future. It has not happened yet. So I will eat, I am going to eat. This is something that is going to happen in future. I will eat. Or she will write the exam, or the baby will cry. We shall go. So the subject plus will or shall plus the present form of the verb. The subject plus will or shall plus the present form of the verb actually makes up a simple future statement. They will come tomorrow. Subject plus will or shall plus the present form of the verb. They will come tomorrow. So just think of some sample sentences. Maybe I listened to music yesterday. I listen to music every day. I will listen to music. I listen to music every day. Listened was in the past, and I listen to music every day is a recurring action in the present. So simple past, simple present, and when it comes to simple future, how do you say it? I will listen to music. Or I tried. I try. I will try. Simple past, simple present, and simple future. Or maybe I fell, I fall. This is something that we may not say that occasionally. I fall and I will fall. Or maybe I passed the exam. You cannot say that I passed the exam, so we'll skip that for the time being. I connected the switch, I connect the switch, I will connect the switch. So similarly, you understand, right, how simple tenses work. Something that happened in the past, habitual actions or universal truths, or something that happens presently in the here and now, and something that will happen or is about to happen in future or is going to take place in future. Simple past, simple present, and simple future. I cried, I cry, I will cry. I ate, I eat, I will eat. Simple tenses. These are very easy to understand. I hope this is clear, and we'll discuss further in the coming classes. So thank you very much, guys. Just think of some examples and you'll definitely get it. Thank you very much.